Right, here's the breakdown. On pole position, Jacksonville Road, time of 1:32.371, and Dale Hill just behind him. And then third we have Eddie Burnline and Ferrari, Joe Schumacher, and then Lisa Hackett and McLaren, and John Olin is the top. Then we have Arlo, Ruben Barrichello, George, Michael Francis Sala, Peter Sala in the middle. That takes us up to Olivier Harris, Olivier, Goodman and Sauber in the football, then Cooper and McLaren, and Johnny Herbert in the Sauber. That takes us up to Milwaukee. 50 is Luca Castellano in the middle, then Giancarlo Finiscala and Minardi and Lombardi, teammate, and then Ricardo Robles and Nick Roberts in the football half. 90 is Martin Russell in the North Berger, and 20 is Pedro Pablo Green. It's on the division. Those are the 20 starters for the Santos.
Martin Brundle has gone to see a doctor. He's just having a word now, as you can see on the screens. That looks as it could be significant. It's not significant shape.
I was going to say.
not enter the track until the fourth car has had a final lap. And the officials go onto the track until the officials.
I said to him yesterday morning on the PA wasn't to make an honorary Australian. We'll have to consider that now. Perhaps get in a word with Mr. Cannon about becoming an honorary Victorian. We won't vote for him. I'm sure there'll be a lot more. Martin Brundle, not so final point. What happened to him earlier?
Absolutely, I feel fantastic, and I've got to say that everyone on the team deserves this. It's a terrific result, and had a great race with Jack, and I'm delighted, obviously, to have come back to Australia and won, and started the season the way I finished the last one.
Well, for sure it's disappointing to lead most of the race and then having to slow down, but the whole race itself was fun. It was a great battle with Damon, and for sure today was a good demonstration of the Williams-Rothmans Renault, and it's a very strong package.
We have had so many problems with reliability, and I've done very little running in the car, and to come here and be on the second row was really surprised us, and then for us to finish the race, especially in the first race for Ferrari, it's a bit special, so I'm really pleased to be on the podium.